Hallo, heute sind wir im Oceanografic Valencia.
We are at the Oceanographic, at our main tank, our main exhibition of sharks and rays. It's a really big tank with 7 million liters of seawater, and right now we have 7 shark species and 8 batoid species, including guitarfish, stingrays, rays, shellfish. We have 2 different shellfish species, so this is the big oceanarium. Some of several species that we have here, one is the Rhinankylostoma, the wet shark, or the ray shark. We have obviously different kind of sea eagles. We have the several sand tiger sharks, or ragged-tailed shark, we call it in other places. But also we have guitarfish. We have some sandbar sharks, like this one swimming there. Also, sandbar sharks are getting pregnant from the last couple of years. They are start to breeding here in captivity, so it's a really good news. But also we have 2 different species of solcher, of shellfish. You have one female there, and the male, the green shellfish, is swimming just behind us. What is there? So definitely this is a really good place to see a huge different variety of sharks and rays species, and not just see these animals, but also learn about its biology, taxonomy, or between different projects that we are doing here at the Oceanographic, like the recovery of sharks, of shark eggs from the bycatch, but also the apply of shark reproduction techniques using artificial reproduction techniques usually applied to other fish. Right now we are managing 2 different conservation projects regarding sharks at the Oceanographic. First of all, we have the recovery of eggs from bycatch, eggs from sharks and rays, that we ask for these eggs to the fishers. Fishers bring us the eggs, and then we can put the eggs in different aquariums with different temperatures according to the species, and then when the shark is hatched, when we have the hatchlings, we can release them back into the wild. And second one, we are trying to use techniques commonly used for the reproduction of other animals, or including humans, to try to apply these techniques to sharks and rays, to be able to make endangered shark and ray species to have successful breeding in captive, and then release them back into the wild again. Aquariums are nowadays one of the first places where people can actually face a shark or be facing a big elasmobranch or huge elasmobranch alive, and not just in the fish markets. But also, aquariums are becoming day after day a reservoir of different species that are really threatened in the wild. So, thanks to a network between the different aquariums, we have to fight for the assurance of these species, and not just in captivity but also in the wild. Aquariums has to be a big place to reunite different ambassadors from the sea, to the people be able to interact with them.
Jetzt den Kanal abonnieren und nicht vergessen, die Glockenbenachrichtigung zu aktivieren.